Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. The first of the new VOGE models for 2022, yet to be officially launched, is the 525R, a machine that will effectively replace the current 500R. At first glance, its similarity to the existing 500R is clear. The headlight appears to be the same, as does the fuel tank. The seat unit is new, though, and so are the side panels flanking the radiator. What's more important, though, is the engine. Where the current 500R uses a 471cc parallel twin that's virtually identical in design to the similarly sized unit used in Honda's CB500 range. Despite the 525 name, the engine is actually a 494cc unit. Once again, the overall design appears to be what might politely be called a tribute to the Honda CB500 unit, but it's now larger and more powerful than the Honda. So let's watch 525R in action and how it fare in the streets.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.
VOGE.